In this video, I am going to show you how to save a thesis or a PDF file from KrishiKosh. KrishiKosh usually restricts us from downloading the thesis or saving it for offline use, but due to the fact that the website is often down or works too slow, we get our research work gets stuck due to the unavailability of the website, and as a result we may need to use the offline copies. So in order to save our file from KrishiKosh, we will first of all need a software that is called HTTP Canary. So HTTP Canary was a software. It is used to save web requests on our device. It used to be available on Play Store, but now it is not. So we will have to download it manually from APK Pure. So first of all, what we'll do, we'll open our Google search or any browser and search for APK Pure HTTP Canary and search it. After this, we'll download the APK file using this web page and install it. I've already installed this on my phone for quicker access. So this is the HTTP Canary. I'll open it. So after opening, we need to accept the terms and conditions. If I try to click it, it won't be clicked, so we need to scroll to the bottom of this terms and conditions, and the gray button has turned orange now, and now we'll click accept. After accept, we'll click configure. It will ask us to install a root certificate. We need to install this root certificate, otherwise this won't work with our KrishiKosh website. So after this, it asks me for the fingerprint, or it may ask you for a pattern or passcode. So after this, I'll click OK. I'll skip this step. My trial version has expired, but it doesn't matter even if your trial version is expired or not, because our job will be done. So I'll skip this. So this is our homepage of HTTP Canary. If I close it and open it again, this page will be shown. So this is the page. So I'll click start recording, or this blue button that is present at the right bottom corner. So I'll just, now my Canary has started recording my web request. So I'll open KrishiKosh. I'll just try to find a thesis on KrishiKosh. Suppose I'll find a thesis on beans. So this is a thesis of nutrient management for French bean. I'll open this. So KrishiKosh takes a bit of time in loading, so you have to be patient at this point. Sometimes the page load fails, so you have to refresh again. So we'll see what happens this time. I'll try to refresh the page. Now that our website has loaded, now we need to see how to save a thesis. So in order to do that, first of all, let us check where the attachment is. Here is our attachment, and it is, the file size says it is 5.9 MB. So our offline file would be around 5.9 or greater than 5.9 MB, but would be around 6 MB only. So I'll click on the title of this thesis, and it will open the thesis in the web version in a different tab. Again, it's taking a bit of time to load, but we have to be patient. So it's loading now. So we have to wait unless the whole of the page loads and the whole of the thesis. So you can see here the thesis has loaded. So this is my complete thesis. Now I want to save it offline. So for that, I'll again open my HTTP Canary. Now you can see that there are a lot of requests from Kiwi browser, so I need to filter out the ones that contain the thesis. So I'll go to options, search. I'll search for bitstream /1/. So I'll go for search. After this I have these three responses. So the third one is around 6 MB, that is the same size as our thesis. So I'll click on this, click on the floppy button or the save button at the top and click save response body. After this I'll click allow. So saved name, I'll save it as anything, suppose such as Krishikosh tutorial. So I'll click save. So now it has been saved to HTTP Canary download, and this folder will be available in my file manager, HTTP Canary download, and the most recent was Krishikosh tutorial. So this is the PDF file for the thesis. So I'll open it. You can see here that this is the same thesis file that was accessible in the web version here, nutrient management for French bean, and here is the same file accessible in WPS Office. So this is the quickest and easiest way to save your PDF file on your Android phone using HTTP Canary. So I'll give this tutorial again, I'll explain this in Hindi. सो इस हमारा कृषि कोश से फाइल डाउनलोड करने के लिए जो हमारा सॉफ्टवेयर चाहिए होता है उसके लिए चाहिए HTTP कैनरी प्ले स्टोर पे पहले अवेलेबल था लेकिन अब अवेलेबल है नहीं, तो इस वजह से हमें पहले ये सॉफ्टवेयर APK प्योर से डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा। तो गूगल में APK प्योर में आप जाके HTTP कैनरी डाउनलोड करेंगे, उसके बाद इंस्टॉल करेंगे। इंस्टॉल करने के बाद कृषि कोश में आप थीसिस ओपन करेंगे। जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे थीसिस ओपन की। जब थीसिस पूरी ओपन हो जाए तो आप HTTP कैनरी ओपन कर सकते हैं, या पहले ही ओपन करके यहाँ पे स्टार्ट रिकॉर्डिंग वाला बटन जो ये ब्लू कलर में है इसको क्लिक करना है, और जब क्लिक करने के बाद ये पेज आप रिफ़्रेश कर सकते हैं या लोड कर सकते हैं। तो पेज लोड करने के बाद आपके पास यहाँ डिफरेंट रिस्पॉन्सेज सेव होंगे। तो उन रिस्पॉन्सेज में से थीसिस फाइल अलग निकालने के लिए यहाँ पे ऑप्शंस में जाके सर्च क्लिक करके bitstream/1/ सर्च करना है, और इसके बाद जो फाइल हमारी वेब वर्जन वाली फ़ाइल के साइज़ के अराउंड होगी, जैसे हमारी वहाँ पे 5.9 थी, यहाँ पे 6.04 है, तो इस फाइल पे जाके क्लिक करना है। क्लिक करने के बाद यहाँ सेव ऑप्शन डालना है, उसके बाद सेव रिस्पॉन्स बॉडी, उसके बाद कोई भी नाम दे के सेव करना है। जब आप सेव करेंगे तो ये फ़ाइल आपके फ़ोन में सेव रहेगी इंटरनल स्टोरेज में HTTP कैनरी डाउनलोड फ़ोल्डर में, और उस फोल्डर में रहेगी जिसका आपने नाम दिया होगा। जैसे यहाँ पे हमने नाम दिया था कृषिकोश ट्यूटोरियल, तो यहाँ पे हमारी फ़ाइल सेव रहेगी। तो अगर आपको डाउनलोड करने में किसी भी किस्म की दिक्कत आ रही है तो आप कमेंट्स में नीचे लिख देना। इसके अलावा मैं और वीडियोस पोस्ट करूँगा जिसमें हम देखेंगे कि कंप्यूटर से कैसे ये फ़ाइल सेव की जा सकती है।